The other day, I encountered a family of 6 cats, so I joined them. Time was slowing down there. Look at the cat snoring, cat spacing out, cat twitching with excitement. I don't know anyone in this neighborhood, but now I know a family of cats. It kind of feels strange to know more cats than humans. Most of my human interactions have been transactional lately. A convenience cashier handing me change, a plastic bag I didn't need, and a thank you that isn't meant for me. But with cats, there's no transaction. I can just sit next to them in silence, and somehow that's enough.